All right, have you ever craved a fancy cocktail, but you're just not quite sure how to make it?
Yeah, and what if it was as simple as dropping one of these in some club soda and adding some alcohol?
We are so happy to be joined by Chloe DiLeo, who is the founder of My Drink Bomb, and Peyton Foster. This is like a hot chocolate bomb, but for your favorite cocktail. Hi, guys. How are you?
Hi, how are y'all?
We're so excited to have you on the show. Tell us about the product. It's pretty ingenious.
Oh, well, it's just cocktails made simple. You drop a drink bomb into sparkling water, you let it activate, add a shot of alcohol. It's the coolest thing in the cocktail craft scene right now.
It looks so fun. I think it's a great gift idea, but I want to know if that backdrop and those balloons come with the package, because that's like a party right there.
Thank you. I know we're at market right now, so it's been a fun and eventful weekend.
All right, Chloe, tell me a little bit about growing up. Your mom was a jewelry, she sold jewelry in Vietnam, and then you learned some entrepreneurial skills and brought them here to the United States, right?
Yes. So I'm an entrepreneur. I've been in the jewelry business for some time now, and a few years ago, I thought, I wanted to create a cool way for my kids to drink more water. And so my kind of entrepreneur spirit came out, and I thought, well, how cool would it be to create crafted, cocktails, a reverse engineer of making bath bombs into an edible drink bomb. So that's how it started.
And Peyton, how did you get involved?
So one of my mom's good friends actually kind of brought me in and was like, I think you'd be a good sales rep in the area that I live in. So I came in about a year ago. I met Chloe, and then I just went to market with her that same weekend, and I've been with her by her side ever since, and it's been an amazing learning experience for me, and I love the product. So it's really fun. I'm learning so much. I love it.
How many flavors are there in total so far? I mean, there looks like there are many.
Yeah.
Well, we started out with several children's flavors, and then of course we created the cocktail version, which had about 12 at the time. So now we're at currently 52 cocktail drink bomb flavors plus 13 children's drink bomb flavors.
Wow, that's pretty
incredible.
incredible.
So you can enjoy these for children, or you can add a little spirited beverage in it for a party, and you actually have a charitable angle, and you've got more product on the way.
We do. So one of the things that we love to do, since we are, we're a small startup company, not so small anymore, but we collaborate with, other small businesses in our city. And we love giving back. Heart.org is a great charity that we work with. It's adults with mental disability.
Wow, that's great.
All of our packaging has to come packaged, so we give them the boxes. They make the boxes for us, and it's a great contribution. And it's really wonderful that they contribute to the packaging and making of our product.
And you guys can actually create and do custom orders for weddings and bar mitzvahs and all different types of parties?
Yes, we can do it all.
So tell me about this tequila sunrise. How can I make that 21 and older?
Well, you can start by dropping it and pour 4 to 6 ounces of sparkling water in a glass, and then drop the bomb, add some tequila, a shot, or however much you like, and then you just have your perfect cocktail right in your hands.
And they make great mocktails as well.
They do.
So none of the bombs have actual alcohol in them. You have to add the alcohol.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, and where can we find these wonderful products?
Well, currently we are now in 992 stores nationwide.
Congratulations.
We also launch our global. You can find us on our website at www.mydreambomb.com. And also we have several stores in Connecticut.
Yes, we have the Silver Dahlia, Grace, Cartsmart Monroe, and a few other locations in the Connecticut area as well.
That's true.
Still hopefully growing there too.
And you're coming out with a sports drink line, Fit Bombs. Is that coming out?
Correct. So Fit Bomb will launch this summer, and it's the same concept, although you don't add alcohol, but it's for detox, anti-aging, weight loss, and hydration.
Well, thank you both for joining us.
And congratulations. Thank you for being fearless female leaders.
Yes, thank you so much
so
for having
much.
us.
You're welcome. All right, visit mydrinkbomb.com for more information. And she said there's plenty of stores here in Connecticut. You can get the product.
Absolutely. And I love the way it comes in its package. It's a great
It's
gift
beautiful.
idea.
Absolutely.
As well. All right.